We are on the fourth part of this lesson, that is question answer. Let us see the first question. First question is, what is a balanced diet? Explain. Answer is, a diet containing right quantities of all nutrients is called a balanced diet. It includes all the food components, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins, as well as roughage and water. It is needed in adequate amount to stay healthy and strong. Moreover, the amount of each component depends on the age and the profession of a person. Coming to the second question, why should we avoid eating junk food all the time? Your answer is, we should avoid eating junk food all the time because most of the junk food contains high level of sugar and salt, which may cause high level of blood pressure and blood sugar. Second point, it may cause obesity, that is excessive fatty body. Third point, lack of essential nutrients leads to deficiency diseases. Fourth point, it may lead to poor digestion. Then coming to the third question, why should we include roughage and water in our diet? Let us see the answer. We should include roughage and water in our diet because roughage, it helps in removing undigested waste from the body in an easy manner. Coming to the next part. Water. Water is not a nutrient, but it is essential for proper body functions and help us to stay hydrated and healthy. Coming to the fourth question, what are lifestyle diseases? Name any two such diseases. Answer, incorrect food habits such as eating a lot of junk food and unhealthy lifestyle may lead to several diseases which are known as lifestyle diseases. Two examples of lifestyle diseases are obesity and diabetes. Any two of your choice you can write. Coming to the fifth question, what is deficiency disease? Give three examples. Diseases caused by lack or deficiency of a particular nutrient in the diet are termed as deficiency diseases. Three examples are anemia caused due to deficiency of iron, night blindness caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, rickets caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Any three of your choice you can write. Coming to question number 6. What is food adulteration? Write any two harmful effects of it. Your answer is, food adulteration means addition of unwanted and unsafe substances in the food items. The unwanted substances are called adulterants. Two harmful effects of it are, adulteration makes food impure and unfit for consumption. Second point, by consuming adulterated food can cause serious health problems such as food poisoning, asthma, diarrhea and cancer. Coming to question number 7. What are the reasons behind obesity and diabetes? The reasons behind obesity and diabetes are, obesity, it is caused due to eating food containing high amount of fats and lack of physical exercise. Overeating also leads to obesity. Coming to the second, that is diabetes. It is caused due to stress, lack of physical activity and weight gain. Thank you.